In today's video, I'm going to teach you to log out of CapCut on your phone. If you're switching accounts, troubleshooting, or simply stepping away from the app, logging out is quick and easy. I'll walk you through each screen, explain what to expect, and share a few helpful tips so nothing important gets lost along the way. Start by opening the CapCut app on your phone. Make sure you're on the home screen where you can see your projects and the main navigation at the bottom. If the app asks you to update or shows a pop-up, clear that first so you can see the full interface. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Me tab. This is your profile area where your account details, preferences, and app settings live. When you're in the Me section, you should see your profile information at the top and several options below it. This confirms you're in the right place. From here, find the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon near the top right of the screen or listed clearly in the menu. Tap Settings to open CapCut's preferences. This page is where you control account details, notifications, storage, and other app behaviors. Now, scroll down through the settings page until you see the sign out option. It's typically near the bottom, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Move slowly to avoid tapping the wrong item, especially if there are similar looking options. When you're ready, tap Sign Out. Depending on your version of the app, you may see a brief confirmation message. If you do, just confirm to proceed. After this, CapCut will sign you out and take you back to the welcome or login screen. A few quick tips before you finish. If you have any drafts or ongoing edits, they're usually saved locally on your device, but cloud synced assets or team features may require you to be signed in to access them. If you rely on cloud backups, make sure everything is synced before signing out. Also, if you plan to switch to a different account, you can sign back in from the same login screen you'll see after signing out. And that's it. Open CapCut, go to the Me tab, enter settings, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Simple, clear, and done in just a few taps. If this helped you, you're all set to manage your account confidently anytime you need.